So it used to be a really popular thing back in the day for TV shows to do clip shows or flashback episodes. We've been doing this whole travel thing for exactly 2 years today. We met here in SeaTac Airport at one of the gates behind us, so we thought we would do our very own flashback episode. We have a total of 24 questions representing the 24 months that we've been traveling together. And so we have 12 each. The first set of 12 are kind of an in-depth interview-ish style question, and then the last 12 are rapid-fire quiz style.
Round 1.
What is our biggest weakness as a traveling duo?
I think our biggest weakness is overestimating the time that we have to play, getting caught up in the moment, whether it be the adventure or taking photos. We plan it well, and then in the moment it just like all goes out the window.
We missed our train.
What is your favorite memory that we've shared in the past 2 years?
Crashing in a random park in Paris, because we did not plan out that trip very well, and so we did not have a place to stay that night.
Yeah.
And just having you be down to be such a dirtbag was super rad for me.
It was a nice park.
What has been your favorite or most memorable meal that we've shared?
The first thing that comes to mind is when we were done snowboarding in Hakuba, and then we went to the food trucks, and we had the best gyoza. And when we were in Japan, like, I don't know, I've had gyoza before, but I fell in love with it in a different way in Japan.
Crazy. Okay.
Yeah, that's not what you expect.
No, I thought for sure Italy was gonna win.
Oh. What's the silliest thing I've said or asked you?
The silliest thing you said was,
Look at this caper. Where's your board at, dude? It's down there.
what is the most scared you've been on our travels?
Shoot. Also in Japan, when the samurai
I knew
guy.
it! I knew that's what it was gonna be. That guy was sketch, dude.
If you could change anything over the past 2 years, what would it be? Or would you?
Impulsive answer is nothing, because obviously all those choices have led up to this moment. What are your 3 must-haves when you pack?
Camera, good face moisturizer, probably snacks. What have you learned most out of our 2 years of traveling?
Patience. Definitely patience. Because before Shell, I've never really had a travel partner. I'm just so used to doing whatever I want when I want, at the pace that I want. And so to have you along, especially for example on a snowboarding trip,
Right.
where it was your first season snowboarding.
Seem to have misplaced my girlfriend. That was fun. Looking for my girl.
And having to wait at runs and having to make sure that you meet up back with me. Yeah. It's definitely, patience has been the big.
Yeah.
What trip left you the most inspired or motivated?
The most recent trip, Banff, because I did my first outdoor climbing with rope, and to see you get back and doing lead climbing and everything, it made me inspired to get home and to do a lot of more outdoor climbing. And then it also inspired me to go back. What was your favorite sunset that we've shared together?
Favorite sunset? First, honorable mentions, Italy, LA, right before I left for Costa Rica. So many in Salt Lake, but definitely the one that it's crazy because we weren't really physically together, but we still shared it, was the one in San Francisco with Keith Ladinsky, Dom, Andy, and all the peeps on that shoot. That was super cool. In your opinion, what city holds the most significance to us?
I would say Salt Lake. And then my last question is, what is the most spontaneous day that we've had together? Or adventure?
Maui, Little Beach. If you don't know what Little Beach is, you gotta look it up. I won't go into that.
Final round.
What was the first thing that we bonded over?
Reggae.
Nice.
What are the 4 national parks we've been to?
Banff National Park, Estes National Park.
No.
Oh, okay, well, Banff National Park.
No, in the U.S., not our national
You didn't
parks.
say Zion,
Yep.
the National Reef,
Yep.
Estes.
Yep.
Not in Utah.
Oh, whoa, yeah.
Oh, it is in Utah?
Yeah.
Oh, Bryce National. Oh, no. Arches.
There you
Oh,
go.
I'm so nervous. How many countries have we been together?
Canada, Mexico, Japan, Spain, Italy, France. What's the name of the friend of whose place we crashed at in Paris?
Raphael.
Nice. Your turn.
Okay. So when we were in DC and we were all sitting down to eat with Phil and Amy, what was the first thing that you said?
Hey guys.
No. I need to find a donut. And then you found one.
I did.
Oh, so that was the first you got one wrong.
Okay. Where was our most expensive cab?
Japan. Right? Have we been to more beaches or mountains?
Mountains. What's the kind of taco that you didn't try when we were in Puerto Vallarta?
Taco de lengua.
Which is?
Tongue. Oh, pork feet. Oh, pork feet. Little pork feet.
Pork feet.
Where was our first meal together?
Oh, it was in Portland. What item do I pick on you the most for bringing?
A curling iron? Which I don't really curl my hair that much.
As she's wearing curls.
What was your alarm clock song when I met you?
Wow, the stuff that you remember. It wasn't Red? Was it Bob? Oh, J-Book.
Yep.
J-Book, see you again.
Yep.
Yep. Okay, mine?
Yep.
Will you move in with me?
Yes. Oh, that's such a good question. Good?
Really?
Yeah.